The Modi government promises to make India a Vishwaguru, but the reality is that in the past 10 years, our relations with our neighbors have only worsened. Bangladesh was the only neighboring country that India had stable ties with, but with Sheikh Hasina stepping down and the Bangladeshi army taking charge, now even that's under a cloud. So what's going wrong with the relations with our neighbors? Let's take a look one by one. Starting with Pakistan, PM Modi made a surprise visit to Lahore in 2015, but things went downhill soon. After Pulwama and Balakot in 2019, talks have been frozen. The two countries have not even met at a regional forum like SAARC, something that routinely happened under previous governments. Coming to China now, in 2020, for the first time in 45 years, there were deadly clashes along the line of actual control, and 20 Indian soldiers were killed. There's still an escalation risk along the LAC as complete disengagement has not been achieved. China even released a new map last year that included regions within India. Not just China, even Nepal has redrawn maps to include territory that falls within India's boundaries. Moving to Sri Lanka now. Under the Rajapaksa family, Sri Lanka drifted towards China. Protests over an economic crisis forced the Rajapaksas to flee. Since then, Sri Lanka has seen 3 prime ministers in 2 years. And to India's discomfort, the current prime minister is from the same party as the Rajapakshas. Next is Maldives, a small country, but one of its ministers openly mocked PM Modi, sparking a boycott Maldives campaign from India. That's not it. The current president is vocally pro-China and has even openly criticized India. Finally, ever since the coup in Myanmar and the Taliban taking over in Afghanistan, trade and border security on these two fronts have also been unstable.